What up, y'all? Every penny counts. Look, I got an Earnably cash out for y'all. Cash this out. I got 517 points on my account. I'm gonna cash out $5. As always, I'm gonna show you what I do before I actually cash out. On this site, I'm going here to earn. I go straight to daily surveys. All right. I go to this because they have very high paying surveys. Well, I'm not gonna say the very highest, but they have really good surveys on here. I go to your surveys. You get paid 80 cents for each one of these. All right. So I go there and I do those. I'm not going to do one on this video just because, you know, I want to kind of conserve time, but your surveys, that's what I'm doing. 80 cents for each one you do. Okay. After I do that, I'm going over here to opinion surveys. Okay. Same thing, 80 cents. All right. You go through, complete as many as you can, as many as you can qualify for. And once I do that, I go to Peanut Labs. Okay. Now Peanut Labs, very good survey provider. For each one you get disqualified for, you're going to get a penny. All right. So, like I said, they only give you a penny for your disqualification point. That's why I kind of do it last, but I do your surveys, opinion surveys, then I go to Peanut Labs. All right. That's mainly the three things that I focus on when I'm on this site. Okay. Those three things. All right. Now that's as far as surveys, that's how that goes. Okay. I go back over here to earn. I go to offer walls. Okay. Now they have some really good things on here. I pay attention to Radium 1 and AdGate and also Offer Turo. Now you can go through, you can try all of these, but what I do is I try to go through each offer wall because they have some easy ones in there. A lot of them are just like submit your email, or, you know, just sign up for this, you know, confirm your email, things like that. And they give you like 15, 20 points just for doing that. And it's like 5 seconds of work. It's not a lot. So those add up when you continue to do those. And they have new offers all the time. I'm just kind of show you. Let me go to Radium 1 real quick. Like I say, it's easy offers in here. You just got to find one that's easy to do. Okay, now you see here, I can print coupons. Print coupons right here, 8 points. Now, you don't have to actually have a printer, but just go through and see how many. It says choose your favorite 25, but really you don't have to do like a couple, maybe 1 or 2, and you're good. All right. Here you're just basically letting videos play. You get a point for that. Look at this, Rock on Clorox. Sign up for that free registration. All you gotta do is sign up for it. You see here, it has 4 days left that you can do it. 8 points. Just that easy. All right. Now I go through, just look at other ones. You know what I'm saying? They're very easy to do. You see what I'm saying? Look again. Do you suffer from some rheumatoid arthritis? All right. Free registration. All you gotta do is sign up for it. 67 points. Okay, right here. Learn 13 nature facts. Just going through basically looking at like 13 facts that they're going to show you in different slides. You get 2 points for that. You know what I'm saying? Very simple. They add up when you continue to do these. Look, Experian. It's important everybody knows their credit score for one. Sign up for that. You get 4 points for doing that. And also it's something you should keep, you know, continue to look at because your credit score is very important in life. Again, another one. You're just signing up, registration, 254 points. This site has offers, y'all, that are very easy to do. Do not require your credit card or nothing like that. All you have to do is just sign up with information. They're probably going to email you something. If you don't want it anymore, all you got to do is unscribe from the after you get the points. This is only after you get the points. Like say for instance, I want to do this right here, just register right here, 29 points. I'm gonna register for that. I sign up, I get my 29 points. They're probably going to email me something. If I don't want them to email me anymore, I just unsubscribe them from emails. Simple as that. And if you don't want to be a part of the program anymore, you just go back to where you found the offer and you just like kind of just take yourself out of the registration program. Just that simple. All right. But that's basically all you have to do with offers. I mean, you don't have to pull out your credit card or nothing like that. That is all it is. Just signing up for stuff and getting paid for it. Just simple. I mean, they're all free. I don't even do the ones that you have to pay to sign up for because I don't want to get my credit card out to any of these companies. And I don't think you should either. Just could do the free ones. Now, if you want to do some, like I know Hulu on here, registration. I know Hulu has a little trial going on from time to time. We can sign up for that. I don't actually have Hulu. I have Netflix, but I am tempted to sign up for Hulu, but I'm looking for one that pays a higher, more than 4 points. I know there are ones on here where I think, you know, they're, it's like a paid trial or something like that, but it's actually something that I would like to keep. So I want to get the highest amounts of points for that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I do on this site, man. I just go through, like I showed you, I do those survey providers. Then I go through and look at these offer walls. I can go back to it real quick. Go to earn, offer walls. Just show you one more time. Radium 1 Aggregate rewards on offer Turo. Okay, now when I go to aggregate rewards, let me show you this real quick. They have lots of ones on here, just like Radiant One. They're not hard to do at all. You can actually order them how you want them to go. If you want them to go easy, lowest to highest, the new ones. I usually do the newest offers because that way you're not signing up for something that you've already done before. You know what I'm saying? Look, download the game, create an account, play for 50 hours, you get 480 points. You know what I'm saying? 50 hours, you don't have to do it all, 50 hours in like back-to-back days or whatever, but you know what I'm saying? Just going through with just just playing it from time to time. Look here, find quality insurance, just register with valid information and complete the requirements, 48 points. And you just go through and look at what offers you can do. I just look for the ones that really say registration, just sign up. Those are the ones I kind of do. They got a free slideshow. You get 2 points for that. You can load more. I mean, have more offers to do. You know what I'm saying? You just go through and look at these. You know what I'm saying? Just that simple. Look, subscribe for a 1 cent trial. You get not 9 cents. That's 120 points. All right, now the one for 9 cents is right there. Create an account, log in, play the game. You get 9 cents for that. So you just see how easy these offers are. They don't take a lot of time at all. All it is basically is just signing up. So I recommend going through all these offer walls and just finding the ones that are free registration. Let the points add up. That's exactly how I got this little 517 points. And like I said, I'm gonna cash out $5 now. So I'm gonna go over here to redeem. Just like this. They have options you can do from PayPal to Amazon. You get the virtual Visa. They also have Domino's and Dunkin' Donuts. I'm gonna go to PayPal because I want the cash money. And you see here all the ones that they have. You can actually cash out on $1 with this site. You have to have 125 points. Same thing with $2. You have to have 225, but I'm gonna cash out at $5 because it evens out. 500 points equals $5. And if you want to actually do the $50 one and $100 ones, is actually discounting that. All right, so you kind of see just whatever one you want to do. Like I said, if you want to cash out $1, you're fine. You want to cash out at 100, kind of get a discount, that's fine as well. Just pick whichever one you want and just redeem. All right, now you see here they have this auto redeem. That's basically whenever, like I said, I want to auto redeem at 125 points. As soon as I get 125 points on my account, it'll automatically go into my PayPal account if I have auto redeem. All right, and that is a 1% fee for auto redeem. Okay, just keep that in mind, and whenever you're doing it. But for those of you who are like myself, you're using all these sites, and sometimes you kind of forget to cash out. I mean, it's a crazy thing, but it happens all the time. I forget to cash out because I'm making so much money in so many different sites. So it's a helpful feature, but I just kind of like do it on my own. That way I kind of know where my money's at. I kind of know, okay, I made this amount on this day on this site, things like that. I kind of keep my money organized like that or whatever. But like I said, I'm just go here to redeem. It's $5. Redeem now. Okay. Bam. Just that simple. Congrats, you just redeemed $500 for PayPal. Simple as that, y'all. All you gotta click redeem now, and it goes right to the PayPal account. You don't have to worry about anything. So now you see my points at 17. So 17.75. That ain't bad at 17 cents. So now I gotta grind up and get more money to my account. But it's just that simple, y'all. I want y'all to sign up for this site. The link is in the description. You see here you can get paid to watch videos, Hideout TV, 0.7 points per 3 ads. So they have lots of different ways to make money on this site. Sign up today with the link in the description. Get that bonus, get these opportunities that I'm giving to you when you're in your same account, and start making money with it. All right, now if you're new to my channel, I want you to subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in making money online for free in your spare time, that's what I'm all about. Just showing people how to make money. What I'm doing, I'm teaching you the same exact steps so you can make the same amount of money that I am. All right, so like I said, sign up with the link in the description today. Start making money with that, and remember, every penny counts.